Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. How much versus how many? For countable nouns, we use question words how many and plural construction of there are. For a small amount of something, we use word a few. For a big amount of something, we use words a lot of. Here are some examples. How many lemons are there? There are a lot of lemons. How many lemons are there? There are a few lemons. How many boxes are there? There are a lot of boxes. How many boxes are there? There are a few boxes. How many books are there? There are a lot of books. How many books are there? There are a few books. For uncountable nouns, we use question words how much and the singular of construction there is. For a small amount of something, we use word a little. For a big amount of something, we use words a lot of. Here are some examples. How much water is there? There is a lot of water. How much water is there? There is a little water. How much sugar is there? There is a lot of sugar. How much sugar is there? There is a little sugar. How much cheese is there? There is a lot of cheese. How much cheese is there? There is a little cheese. How much versus how many? See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.